There's breaking news coming in. Pakistan now comes to the rescue of Lashkar. Pakistan says Lashkar is a defunct banned organization. Pakistan tries to focus to BLA list as terror group. MOFA Pakistan statement is now, the Minister of Foreign Affairs Pakistan statement is now coming out, where Pakistan is now condemning terrorism in all forms. The Minister of Foreign Affairs is now stating that Lashkar is actually a defunct banned organization. They come to Lashkar's rescue. They say any link with LET, which is a defunct organization banned in Pakistan, belies ground realities. Investigations into Pahalgam incident that happened in internationally recognized disputed region are still inconclusive. Pakistan has effectively, they say, dismantled concerned outfits. While the issue under consideration pertains to US domestic laws, India has a track record. Pakistan is continuing to say the same filth as always, and they continue to say in the statement by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I'm going to try and go across to Gursimran. Gursimran, I want to come across to you. This is once again a sham statement by a sham state, Pakistan, where they are trying to continue to say that we've done nothing wrong, we're against terrorism. LET is a banned organization, it's a defunct organization, and India has a track record of exploiting this. What do we make out of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs statement from Pakistan here, Gursimran?
See, it has actually hit where it was supposed to hit, because now the Pakistan is completely rattled. They do not know what to do next. They are now trying to justify that the Lashkar-e-Toiba is a defunct organization, a banned organization upon which it has acted, and it has not acted against the assets but also the leaders of the Lashkar-e-Toiba. So that's very clear. The way Hafiz Sayyid and his son Talha Sayyid and other Saifullah Qari and other terrorists, Saifullah Kasuri, who is one of the mastermind of the Pahalgam terror attack, they are getting a free run in Pakistan. Now the Pakistan is saying that the Lashkar-e-Toiba is a banned organization. Actually, Pakistan has felt the heat that after UN listing the Resistance Front, an offshoot of Lashkar-e-Toiba, as the foreign terrorist organization as well as the global designated terror group, it is going to dent Pakistan a lot, because now any funding that goes to the Resistance Front or in the name of the Resistance Front, that comes under the international scrutiny. That is going to haunt Pakistan a lot, because the main objective of Pakistan offloading the Resistance Front was to evade the international scrutiny. But now Pakistan has completely failed to, reason being the investigations that have been done over the time by the India, and that was put before the United States by the Indian side, that see how these terror groups are behind not only the Pahalgam terror attack but Ganderbal terror attack, DKG terror attack, Bhata Doria terror attack, and also the Dhangri terror attack, the Shiv Khodi terror attack, where the innocent civilians were killed by the these Pakistani terrorists just on the base of their religion, and also the innocent killings of the Hindus and Sikhs that have been done from 2020 to 2022 that saw a spike, the targeted killings in the Kashmir Valley. All that has been done on the behest of Hafiz Sayyid. All that has been done on the behest of Sajjad Gul, who is operating from the Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. And now with the US listing the TRF as the foreign terrorist organization and the global designated terror group, Pakistan is in shambles. They are completely rattled, and now they have come out with a statement where they are trying to divert the attention towards what is happening in the Baluchistan, their internal uprising. They are saying that look at this, what is happening. These groups that are affiliated to the Baluchistan Liberation Army, they also be designated the same. But they are trying to give a cover to Lashkar-e-Toiba, stating that it is a defunct organization that has been banned and acted upon by the Pakistan. But the reality is known to the world the way Pakistan is a safe haven for Lashkar-e-Toiba, be it their ground cadres or their top brass that is there. And that was why there was need of Operation Sindoor for India to be carried out to dismantle the infrastructure of terror that is there in Pakistan.
Pakistan that is rattled, Gursimran. This is Pakistan that is nervous. This is Pakistan that is well aware that their role behind these terror organizations is very clear, and under the media glare and India's glare, they are now succumbing to the pressure. Thank you, Gursimran, for giving us those details.